Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Today we will start with the practicals. Here we have opened Turbo C. For new file, we can go through File menu and New option. Here we have our new file. First of all, we are writing a definition of the program, that is print hello on the screen. For that we are including stdio.h, that is standard input output.h header file. Then main function. Into the main function we are using printf function with hello string. To compile this program, we have to press Alt F9. Here we can see there is no error. To run this program, press Ctrl F9, and to view the output, press Alt F5. So here the output is hello. This is our first program. Thank you.